Struggling to find the perfect tent cot that balances comfort, durability, and ease of setup? We know the pain of sifting through countless options and wondering which one truly stands out. After extensive research and testing, we've narrowed down the top 5 best tent cots. Stay tuned as we reveal our top picks and key features, helping you choose the best tent cot for your next outdoor adventure. Get ready to discover the ultimate tent cot solutions that will make your camping experience unforgettable. Let's dive in. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Yaheetech Folding Camping Cot. At number 5, we have the Yaheetech Folding Camping Bed that presents a practical and versatile solution for those seeking portable comfort in various settings. This triangular-shaped bed combines a sturdy iron frame with 600D polyester Oxford fabric. This construction ensures stability and durability, making it suitable for outdoor camping trips, patio lounging, and even use in beauty salons. An outstanding feature of this camping bed is its effortless setup. It comes fully assembled, needing no extra assembly. This convenience allows for immediate use upon arrival and easy storage when not in use, thanks to its foldable design. The bed's design also includes practicality with storage in mind. It features storage bags on both sides, providing convenient space to keep items like iPads, books, glasses, cell phones, and other essentials within easy reach and neatly organized. This thoughtful addition enhances its usability across different scenarios, whether relaxing outdoors or taking a nap in indoor environments like offices or laboratories. Despite its robust construction, potential buyers should consider its weight of 14.4 pounds, which might affect portability depending on individual preferences and needs. However, its compact package dimensions and overall ease of handling mitigate this concern to some extent. In conclusion, the Yaheetech Folding Camping Bed offers robust durability, easy setup, and convenient storage options, making it a versatile choice for outdoor adventures and indoor relaxation alike, despite its consideration for weight and portability. Number 4. Coleman Trailhead II. At number 4, there's the Coleman Military Camping Cot that is designed to provide a durable and comfortable sleeping solution for outdoor enthusiasts. With dimensions of 73 by 35 by 17 inches and a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, it accommodates individuals up to 6 feet 2 inches tall, offering ample space and support. The cot features a strong crossbar steel frame that ensures stability and durability, making it suitable for various outdoor settings. Portability is a key feature of this cot as it folds compactly to fit into most car trunks, facilitating easy transportation and storage. Weighing 20 pounds, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and manageability. The cot's alloy steel material not only contributes to its robustness, but also allows for easy maintenance. Simply wipe it with a dry cloth to keep it clean. Assembly is straightforward as no setup is required, allowing users to quickly set up camp or relax without hassle. Its rectangular shape elevates comfort by keeping sleepers off the ground, enhancing the overall camping experience by eliminating discomfort from rough or cold surfaces. Manufactured by Coleman, a reputable brand known for its outdoor gear, this cot exemplifies reliability and functionality. It meets the needs of both casual campers and seasoned adventurers alike, making it a versatile addition to any camping gear collection. On the whole, the Coleman Camping Cot combines durability, comfort, and portability with a sturdy steel frame and easy maintenance, backed by Coleman's trusted brand reputation and a 1-year warranty. Number 3, KingCamp Camping Cot. Next up, we have the KingCamp Folding Cot, designed to provide a spacious and robust sleeping solution suitable for a variety of environments. It offers ample space, catering well to taller individuals or those who prefer extra room. Constructed from durable 420D polyester fabric and featuring aerial aluminum alloy rods, the cot promises durability and stability, supporting weights of up to 265 pounds. This sturdy build ensures reliability whether used indoors or outdoors. One of the standout features of the KingCamp cot is its ease of use. It requires no assembly, allowing for quick setup or folding within seconds. Weighing just 4.4 pounds and folding down to a compact size, it's highly portable and convenient for travel or storage. Included with the cot is a handy carry bag, adding to its portability and making it an ideal choice for camping trips, overnight stays, or as an extra bed at home. Versatility is another key attribute of the KingCamp cot. It transitions seamlessly from outdoor adventures like camping on grass or in the forest to indoor use in bedrooms, living rooms, or even offices, offering comfort wherever needed. The cot's design includes a supportive pillow and is available in multiple colors, enhancing its appeal across different user preferences. In summary, the The KingCamp Folding Cot excels with its spacious design, durable materials, and effortless portability, making it a versatile and reliable choice for both indoor and outdoor sleeping needs. Number 2, Timber Ridge. Featuring at number 2, we have the Timber Ridge Folding Camping Cot, offering a blend of comfort, durability, and convenience tailored for outdoor enthusiasts. Built with a robust powder-coated steel frame and stainless steel screws, this cot is designed to withstand tough outdoor conditions, promising long-lasting durability. It features an adjustable backrest that enhances sleeping comfort by accommodating various positions, making it adaptable for different user preferences. Portability is a key highlight of this cot. This versatility makes it ideal for camping trips where space efficiency and ease of setup are crucial. Safety and stability are prioritized with this cot. It includes 4 adjustable anti-slip feet covers and a lock joint design, ensuring a secure and stable sleeping platform off the ground. These features contribute to a sound night's sleep in outdoor environments. The cot is upholstered with polyester, offering comfort during use. However, it requires hand washing for maintenance, which may be a consideration for users seeking easy care options. With a weight of 17.4 pounds, this cot strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability. While it's manageable for most users, the weight should be factored into considerations for transportation. In short, the Timber Ridge Folding Camping Cot stands out for its sturdy construction, adjustable comfort features, and ease of portability, making it a practical choice for outdoor adventurers seeking a reliable sleeping option. Number 1, Helinox Cot One. Taking the top spot, we have the Helinox Cot One, offering a blend of practicality and comfort, making it a valuable addition to any camper's gear. Its rectangular shape and dimensions of 75 by 26.97 by 6.5 inches provide ample space for a restful night's sleep, while its compact and lightweight design enhances portability. Weighing only 4.97 pounds, the Helinox cot is easy to carry and pack, fitting into a small, zippered carrying case. The cot's frame and legs are constructed from a proprietary aluminum alloy, ensuring both strength and lightness. And this robust construction allows the cot to support up to 320 pounds, catering to a wide range of users. The cot cover and carrying case, made from 600 weave ripstop polyester, add to the product's durability and longevity, resisting wear and tear from outdoor use. A standout characteristic of this camping cot is its rapid and uncomplicated setup process. Utilizing an internal bungee cord, the poles self-assemble effortlessly, streamlining the setup experience. Elevating sleepers 6.5 inches above ground level, the cot provides insulation from cold surfaces, particularly advantageous in chilly weather. For individuals seeking a higher sleeping position, optional leg extenders, available for separate purchase, can raise the height to 15 inches, accommodating varied preferences comfortably. The cot accommodates various sleeping positions and folds down to 21.5 by 6.5 inches for storage. In a nutshell, the Helinox Cot One offers a combination of lightweight portability, durable construction, and comfortable design, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable sleeping solution. Overall, each of these camping cots offers unique features catering to diverse needs of outdoor enthusiasts. From the robust durability of the Yaheetech folding camping bed to the portability and comfort of the Coleman military camping cot and the spacious versatility of the KingCamp folding cot, these options cover a wide spectrum of preferences. The Timber Ridge folding camping cot impresses with its adjustable backrest and sturdy build, while the Helinox regular camping cot stands out for its lightweight design and easy setup. Whether for rugged outdoor adventures or casual indoor use, these cots provide dependable solutions for comfortable sleeping wherever your journey takes you.